Good,
I
Sam.
reckon that'll be.
I tell you what, I know it's been away from the track for about a year, but it looks a treat. Prepared perfectly by the hottest stable in the country.
Rightio, Jane Oval. She's on her, she's leading racing.
Before you were telling me that you know what a good-looking horse is.
I do.
What horse was that?
It wasn't cylinder, because it's actually a very small little...
Yeah,
He's rounded cylinder. Erno's cube looked a bit square today.
You know the worst issue about having a special guest in is that Tags is going to roll out this